Alright, so it's just a quick unboxing video. Got something in the mail today. Bam. You see right here. aFe Momentum GT intake. And like I said on my last video, if you're following my car Instagram, you just see I already posted this, see? Bam, bam. And you see aFe even liked my post and my like the post, because I actually did this right here. Oh, that was a damn, what you call it? Bam, you see right here. So I already posted this. So like I said, if you're following my car Instagram, you're gonna know stuff about like stuff that I'm doing to the car before I even put it on YouTube. Because like I said, it's easy for me to just snap a picture, post on Instagram before I record a whole video and edit it out. So if you're not already, make sure you're following my car Instagram. You see right there, Scatpack Mom. Like I said, I post all the stuff I do to the car, and I post stuff about videos that I'm about to post on the channel on here before you see it on YouTube. So anyway, get back to the purpose of the video. You see, previously I had, well, it's still on here. I got the HELLCAT airbox on here, intake, but I want to switch that out. So that's why I ordered this right here. Momentum. See, about to flip the Momentum GT right here, and this is not the actual picture of it. This is the actual picture of it. You see right there, Dodge Challenger Charger SRT8, 2011 to 19, 644 Hemi. So I'm gonna unbox this so y'all see what comes in here. But like I said, I got the HELLCAT airbox intake in here right now, and I was about to order a throttle body with this intake at the same time, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send this. It's a guy called Fastman. Y'all probably seen it. He got a video on YouTube, and he actually port these out, so you'd actually use the factory one, and he'd make it bigger for you, so you still have the factory one. So I'm most likely gonna do that because it's only 200. If you send him your original one, he'd do it for 200 bucks. The ones I was seeing online, like, they didn't have too many good reviews on it, so I really didn't want to buy them. But I may still go with that route. I'm still looking into it. But like I said, I'm most likely gonna go with the Fastman one, send this in, and only pay 200 bucks to have them do it and send it back. That way I'm still using the factory one. But go ahead, open this up, show you what all come in here. Get my blade. Don't mind my hands. My hands probably ashy. I don't know if it's showing on camera, but it's cold as shit. I wash my hands like 10 times a day. Alright. Damn side. Alright, bam, there we go. So open the box up. All this fucking paper. We got the bracket, clamps, brackets, whatever you want to call it. Got those pieces. Hoses. It's like a trim piece right here. Like tubing. See right there, that's the tube. And this right here is the airbox. Yeah, this one definitely got way more space than that factory one and that HELLCAT one. Actually, this, yeah, you can tell. I mean, I don't know if you can tell unless you got the actual factory one, or you see my older video when I showed the comparison of the factory and HELLCAT one. Some more clamps or whatever you want to call it. Like that. Come with this license plate. I'm not going to use that, but that was cool for them to put that in there, I guess. And instructions right here. And this right here is obviously the filter. Let's see if I can get this open. See right here, yeah, it's big as shit. So yeah, that filter basically goes inside that box. What's in here? I did go with the oil option. They got a drop filter and the oil option. I went with the oil one. It's probably some type of warranty information. But that's basically everything that comes in the box. I'm doing an install video tomorrow. I was basically just showing y'all what comes inside the box, just in case you wanted to order this. But one thing you gotta notice, the hose, they go in the front. They do not supply that, which that don't make no sense to me at all. Like, you gotta buy your own. So on the website, it gives you the option. You just search it and buy it from them. But like I said, I already have the HELLCAT intake in here, so I already have the hose that I have to use. So I'm gonna use the one from here to put on here, because I believe it's like 40 bucks, like when you buy it, 40 or 60 bucks. So if anybody want to buy this HELLCAT AirBox, they can, but it's not come with the hose, because I'm using the hose for this new setup right here. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I'm also gonna go back and do something with the throttle body. And I got something else big coming next week, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you follow me on Instagram if you're not already, because like I said, once I get the other stuff I ordered, I'm gonna post it on there first, and you're gonna see it on there first. But that's pretty much it. Quick unboxing. Like I said, aFe Momentum GT cold air intake 2019 Scatpack, Scory Gray. Not too much. It's a little dirty right now. I gotta clean it up. It's hella cold outside, so that's why I ain't gave it a wash yet. But that's pretty much it.
Was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Yeah, reached every goal I said I had to sit back down and rearrange that list, nigga. Yeah, and now I'm out here.